Meow. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Little hiding spot. Muffin, come here. Oh no.
No, don't touch that on it! Dude. Okay,
I'm gonna knock out some homework real quick.
Baby, work.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
A fish will be life.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not lying.
What happened? What? Is your food bowl empty?
That was the wrong way, you being naughty.
Kyle, stop.
Stop jumping on my sweater.
You are actually giving treats to Belle.
Where's the catnip?
For it until now.
Should I get a dog?
Spoil them and teach them things that can't.
Non. Non, non, tu recommences pas.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Oh, she really stuck, G.
Hey, that's gonna be Suchiko.
Knock it off. Hey.
What on earth is going on?
You bloody.
Get.
Stop.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil. What?
Vậy bạn ơi.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Hey.
Shark, you hungry?
No.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
Holy
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
Jumped over these double baked
Can't you see?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Control, please.
So, mirror, 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 stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're
Spicy. Hey, Spicy.